C30. Oh, I thought it's D. Okay. Right. Thank you. Well, good morning from Dallas Airport Terminal D. At least I thought my flight would depart from Terminal D. It showed up as D yesterday. Apparently they switched it to C now. Check-in here in D was very fast. I mean, there was no line at all. Security was also very fast, although they took out half the content of my backpack and then did an explosive scan on the suites I bought in Madrid. Of all things, they were interested in the suites. So that took a while. Anyway, I'm through now, and it's good that I'm in Terminal D because I can go to the flagship lounge here. So let's do that. Let's check out the lounge. And welcome to the American Airlines flagship lounge here in Concourse D, Terminal D, whatever. It's my first time here in the Dallas flagship lounge. I've only been to the one in Miami, 2 days ago. And the one in Dallas is also so spacious. So many seats, and there are not many people at all. Breakfast buffet looks good as well. They have so many interesting things for breakfast. Sushi for breakfast, why not? They also have chocolate pancakes and bacon and bread and stuff, and they have fresh olives and cheese and everything, and they do have fresh orange juice as well. That is a bit rare in the US, fresh orange juice. Usually you just get that industrial sugared stuff. So I still have an hour and 20 minutes until boarding starts. It starts at 8:05 and now it's 6:45, but since they changed the gate from D to C, I have to plan some time to take the SkyTrain over there, so I'll probably leave in an hour. Yeah.
Your help is greatly appreciated. Good morning and welcome.
That's why your safety and well-being are so important to us. This airplane has 2 exit doors in the front, 4 window exits over the wings, and 2 exit doors in the back. Jump onto the slide and move away from the airplane.
Available for takeoff and landing. So right now, looking about another 12 to 14 minutes before we get airport. We're just about number 11 for takeoff.
beverage of your choice. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we are coming out with our main cabin beverage service at this time. Please make sure you watch your elbows, knees, and toes as we do come up the aisle. Those parts weigh about 300 pounds as we are pulling them up. Remain in your seat and with your seatbelt securely fastened.
Your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. And keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Caution, you are near the end of the moving walkway.
Welcome to Terminal 8 here at JFK. It's actually the very first time that I'm using this airport. I've only ever used LaGuardia in New York. Not JFK, not New York, just LaGuardia. That's quite exciting. Flight was pretty good, very calm, like a bit turbulent in the beginning, but then after like 1/3 of the flight the clouds cleared up and we had a very nice view of the country. And then once we reached the state of Ohio and Lake Erie and then like flew over Pennsylvania, you could see all the colors, all the trees were like covered in red and orange. It was quite beautiful to see from above. And then the approach into JFK was absolutely phenomenal. Clear skies, what a great view of the city. And the crew was very nice as well, very friendly, very proactive. So all in all, great flight. I'm here on the connecting bridge or tunnel, well, it was a tunnel, now it's a bridge, between the concourse and the main Terminal 8. And I'm about to take the air train to another terminal, but I'm not going to tell you which terminal. So I have a connecting flight, but if you want to find out where I'm going next and on which airline, I suggest you subscribe now. So you will find out next week. Until then, enjoy your travels.